Hi everyone, Kimberly here, and here's your In the Know Wednesday tip. There are small renovations that you can take that not only will increase your property's character, but will also increase your property's value and quality. In the kitchen, new flooring, cabinets, and countertops are awesome, but you can also do a minor facelift just by updating your faucets and changing your hardware. The bathroom can also be a costly place when doing renovations. Opt in for good lighting, nice modern mirrors, and attractive fixtures to get your return on your property. Energy efficient improvements or going green is a great selling point for buyers. Not only does it help the environment, but it also can cut down on cost on living in the property. There are a bunch of different options that you can choose within your budget. Just doing a little bit of research and you'll be able to find the way. I hope this was helpful and I look forward to talking to you soon. Have a great week. Bye.